Lumifield Triton, production-ready CT inspection. Manufacturing at scale means making millions of perfect parts, and when your margins are tight, every flaw counts. That's why we created Triton. Triton is built for high-throughput, automated inspection. It scans production parts in seconds, giving real-time pass-fail decisions, all before they leave the factory floor. Traditional quality control methods can't see inside. X-ray CT does. It pinpoints cracks, voids, misalignments, and more, without slowing you down. Optimize your processes by analyzing data and tracking trends in Voyager. AI-powered and fully connected, Triton integrates with your manufacturing line, making sure every part meets spec before it ships. This is how you scale quality without compromise, because flawless production starts with Triton.